So let's come to the award that GhanaPay and your good self are winning. It's the Digital Economy Awards.
Awards, that's right, yes.
Tell us about it. How did
Well,
GhanaPay get there?
you rightly know that we launched GhanaPay a year or two ago, and they have assessed all the mobile money wallets that exist in Africa, and we've been adjudged as one of the best in that to offer it. I think it's something that we should congratulate ourselves, and I look forward to receiving the awards tomorrow. In terms of me being adjudged one of the best in Africa, I think the top 50 in Africa. I think my passion has always been in transformational technology. So for it to be recognized, I think I'm thrilled, and I'm very grateful.
What does it mean for our journey? In terms of instant payments.
Well, I think where we are as we speak now, you see that statistics shows that majority of our transactions are skewing towards the real-time or instant payments now. It's not just being used by bank customers, but it's also being used by the informal sector. And even the bank customers, individuals who solely rely on bank systems are reducing significantly, moving towards the real-time transactions. So I think about 8 years ago when we started, majority of our transactions were in the clearinghouse, followed by the cards, and then the real-time. Now 65% plus of our transactions is in the real time. It's the real-time transactions that dominate all our transactions. It tells you that, yes, we had the right foresight to implement the real-time rails in Ghana. What we are left to do now is to look for a lot of use cases, encourage the fintechs who happens to be our main service providers using it. Once upon a time, the banks were our primary customers, but when it comes to the real time, the fintechs have taken over. So there's a need for us to forge closer relationships with them to ensure that they provide services for individuals, businesses, and government, as the case may be.
Just a little bit, share a little bit with me about the unique, selling point of GhanaPay, which probably Ghanaians have not seen yet. What's the uniqueness of
GhanaPay? Mobile money by itself is offered by telcos. By the telco companies, which they form a subsidiary. Now, the telcos, but every individual with a bank account, in addition, also owns a mobile money wallet from a telco or from a fintech. So the thinking is that if I'm a bank customer, and because of convenience and ease of use, I need a mobile money wallet as well to be able to make micro and repetitive payments, why don't my bank offer me that service? So it's in that regard why we have a shared platform for the banks to be able to offer that service to their customers. Secondly, if you happen to be in the informal sector and you go to a bank for a bank account, you might not be able to meet the KYC. So the banks would only be serving individuals who are able to meet the KYC. What happens to the large unbanked or individuals who are not able to, but can be given a mobile money wallet? So our banks are not participating in the informal sector. But now that they have the GhanaPay mobile money platform, they can now serve the informal sector and support the mobile money companies as well as the fintechs to ensure that we have full inclusive in Ghana. Nobody's left behind.
So the mobile money platform on the GhanaPay can then be used as a basis to probably even give you financial services.
Precisely. So if you look, the telcos are offering loans in partnership with the banks. But now if the banks are offering you the mobile money transactions, they are a bank, so they can then offer you probably at a reduced rate because they can see your transactions. Exactly. Precisely that. Yes. Thank you so much.